So in the previous video we have seen that the control panel of Windows 7 can be seen in 3 different views, that is category, large icons and small icons. You see many categories in the control panel window like system and ease of access, etc. Each one has its own specific purpose, means whichever options are there in this video, there are various purpose related to it. Each one has its own purpose, and we can when we will go deeper into this, we will come to know what it is meant for. Okay. Now, sound recorder. If the computer is equipped with a sound recorder program of Windows, you can record your voice, but for this you need a microphone attached to your computer. Means it is written if, means as such it is not there, but if the computer is equipped, if it is there, this program is there, then we can record our voice, but we need a microphone for that. The following steps should be taken to record your voice. You will click on the start button, then you will click on all programs menu, then you will click the accessories, it is available in accessories, and then click the sound recorder button. The sound recorder program opens like this, it will open like this. The following steps should be taken in order to start recording your voice. Step 5, click the start recording button from sound recorder program. As soon as you click the start recording button, the timer starts, this timer, okay, the timer starts and the start recording button changes to stop recording, because this start recording button you have clicked and then it will change to stop recording. Start speaking into the microphone whatever you want to record, okay, like she is speaking into the microphone, same way you will speak. Okay, after you finish this, see this start recording and this has changed to stop recording. After you finish, click the stop recording button to stop recording. Understand children? Means when you will start, you need to stop also. And you can see there is a change in the timer. Earlier it was all 0 and now it is 11 seconds. Remember, to record someone's voice, there should be a microphone connected to the computer. If microphone is not there, you will not be able to record the voice. Now, saving the recorded voice. As soon as you stop recording, the save as dialog box appears. You have seen this dialog box because it appears as soon as you want to save any file. In whichever application you are working, if you want to save a file, this dialog box will appear. Follow the following steps to save the recorded voice. First, you will give any name to the audio file in the file name text box. Here you will give the name of the file and click the save button to save the recording. Now you can use it in different places. It is not written here, but we can assume. Okay. Now, playing games. It is the fun part of the Windows 7. There are many inbuilt games in the Microsoft Windows 7. You play these games by clicking the desired options. The following games are present in Windows 7. So there are many inbuilt, means it is already there. When you install Windows 7, MS Windows 7, it is already there. So what are all these games? Chess Titans, Hearts, Minesweeper, Purple Place, Spider Solitaire and Solitaire. Okay, so all these games are there. Okay, you can learn and you can play them, how to play them. Now, opening a game. In order to play a game, you have to open it. Let us open Mahjong Titans as Game of Turtles, Dragon Cat, Fortress, Crab and Spider. So what you will do, again you will click on the start menu, click all the programs and there you will click on games. Choose and click the game you want to play. Whichever game you want to play, you can choose and click on it. So you will be able to play. See, there are various games there, Chess Titans, Free Cell, etc. Okay children, can you see these games are there? So you can play these games and you can check in your system as well. For example, turtle. The turtle game opens. In this game, you are required to click on two identical cards to finish them. Help menu tells you the rules. There is a menu, help menu there. Okay, you can know about the game and its rules from that menu. Okay, this was all about the chapter. Now you can practice this at your home, but I have told you earlier also that you will do this along with your parents. You will not do it on your own because computer system is very sensitive. It can get damaged very easily. Thank you children, and see you tomorrow for the Google Meet class.